If you want to know how to change your Google Chrome theme or set a custom background image, then you are in the right place. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and look at the bottom right corner of the browser where you will see a button called Customize. Click on that and then select Change Theme. A wide range of themes will appear, from art to cities and many more. Simply click on the theme you like and Chrome will instantly apply it. Now, if you want to set your own custom background, click on the pencil icon or the Customize button, whichever option appears for you. After that, choose Change Theme and then select Upload an image. Navigate to the location where your image is saved, select it, and click Open. That's it. Your chosen picture will now appear as the background for your Chrome homepage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to meerriz Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.